No, I'll do black pepper. Really quickly, I'm gonna make myself this matcha latte because and I hate to say this, actually, no, I don't. I want to function today, and this is what's gonna help me jumpstart the day. I have a few minutes before hopping into a meeting, so I'm gonna just knock this out really quickly. Hold on, is there even water in the kettle? Oh, God. So now I have the water boiling to 160 degrees, which is ideal for matcha. And now I'm gonna put some milk in the frother because I love a hot matcha latte, preferably. Or preferably, I don't know how you're supposed to say that word, but. And what I like to do, wait, I go in with this, and then I go in with a creamer to sweeten it. Because I don't like adding additional, like sugar. Like the matcha I use doesn't have sugar, it's not sweetened already. So I just add some non-dairy creamer to my matcha. And I've gone through quite a few over the years. My favorite one of all time to this day is the Chobani one, but they don't make it anymore. So I guess we gotta suffer, girl. I don't know. I'm making it. The water is ready. I do put a little bit more matcha than is advised because I want a little bit more strength. I want a bit more of a kick. Hold on. There we go. So now I can properly mix that up. Beautiful. Right to the brim. Anyway, let's go to my meeting now. Okay, so today we're gonna do some deep cleaning. So we're gonna have ourselves a very hearty lunch because we need honestly all the energy we can have since we've been up since like 6 this morning. So what we're gonna do right now is make ourselves a really yummy black bean breakfast burrito. And it's just kind of something I've thrown together a few weeks ago, and I've really been obsessed with it ever since. Like I really do see myself never getting tired of this meal. And what I like to add is turkey bacon. This is the one that we bought this morning. A few slices of avocado, black beans, and scrambled eggs. And I like to sprinkle on top some feta cheese. Girl. So, so good. And let me tell you, it keeps me regular, it keeps me full, it keeps me fit. As I mentioned in a past vlog, I really am trying to maintain my protein intake for like caloric management as well as a bit of a caloric surplus. Anyway, let me cook. So, as you can see behind me, my bed is not made. It's not. And honestly, that is just because my priority this morning was getting to the grocery store before work. And that's the beautiful thing about HEB. It opens at 6 a.m. Although I'm a firm believer in making your bed at the beginning of the day to start the day, on the days that I can't do it, specifically on my work from home days or days that I'm just really busy, I try to knock it out at least by lunchtime. Because my main thing, for me, it's less about starting the day with a made bed, but getting into one at the end of the day. Even on my worst day, coming home to a made bed makes things a little bit easier. Like it really takes the edge off, I would say. I have a few minutes to spare before I hop back on. And yeah, let's get to it. Also, let me put you onto a tea that I've been obsessed with for the past few months. The Celestial Seasoning Cinnamon Apple. Hold on, I pulled it up because I wanted to get the name right. Cinnamon Apple Spice. It's an herbal tea, caffeine free. It is genuinely like, you know how some teas, like the title says one thing, but then when you drink it, you're like, okay, like I get some notes of some of this and some notes of this. No, this is very much cinnamon apple spice. Yeah, like this is my second cup today of this. And every time I buy it, I always buy 2 boxes and I keep it in its in a little container. It's so good. It's delicious. It's so good. It's beautiful. Look at this beautiful color. It's my favorite. I love it so much. Okay, for real this time, let me finish my work. So I've been working for the last few hours. My day ends in like a little under 2 hours from now. And also the sun is out now. The sun is up. I'm sure it looked brighter in the camera. The rain from this morning has passed, so it's a really nice sunny day now. Like even the pavement's pretty dry, which is impressive because like at some point in the morning it was raining. But yeah, friends, I'm going to continue with my work day. I'm going to finish up here. And I'm going to see you guys again around 5 p.m. I got hungry, so I made myself a little tuna melt. Which, by the way, full of protein. I mean, if you use the whole can, if you're building a booty like me, you know what we finna do. Eat up. Look at that. Gorgeous. Look at the cheese. Okay, so it is now 6. Oh, it's almost 6 p.m. I got off work like 30 minutes ago. So in between that time, I had to do a few things before my front office closed for my apartment. So I got knocked that out. Truly nothing worth filming. It wasn't that interesting whatsoever. But other than that, I'm going to get ready to conquer another beast. Yeah. Listen, I told y'all this week I had a rough start. So what I neglected to do yesterday, I'm doing today. Okay. And actually, I'm going to sort this laundry and I'm going to probably do a couple loads tonight. However, I do actually have some clean laundry that needs to be folded. Yeah. That's what we're on today. I'm going to put on the TV. I'm watching quite a few shows right now. I'm not sure what I'm in the mood to watch right now. Let's find out together. You know what I mean? Let's see what I'm into for sorting and doing this laundry.
When I started Illigan's, we were just a humble theme restaurant. But with hard work, dedication, and...
Damn it, the instructions are written in wingdings. You get what you pay for, right, Joe?
Me and Kleiner, you and Becca, wine country, Catskills.
Okay, so I have officially sorted my laundry, put the first load in the washer, and I have folded and put away my clean clothes. As y'all saw earlier, I did put on the main light, which means I'm in business and I stood on business. So I got all of that done. I am in my gym attire right now and I'm going to make my way there. It's 7:33 right now, which I think is honestly my ideal time to go in the evenings because I can still get back when traffic has died down and the sun is still kind of up. So it's not too dark by the time that I leave. So yeah, let me go ahead and head out before it gets a little too late. And I will see you guys when I get back. So we are back home from the gym. I did nothing too crazy. I actually tried out this new arm Pilates workout. Really enjoyed that. I wanted something a little bit different. It was a nice switch up, but I did feel the burn. So, and then because I had such a great productive day today, I wanted to treat myself to some mo bettas. It's like Hawaiian style food. And I got the chicken katsu with a side of rice and the macaroni salad and a tossed salad where I'm going to put some dressing on it and just devour. Look how much chicken that is. I don't think I'm finishing all of this today. I don't think I can, but forgot the mic was over there. I kind of ate a few pieces already to hold me over as I'm taking a shower because I'm starving, yes, but I'm not about to sit in this stink. Like, I sweated, guys, but I did want to have a little something to eat because I'm so hungry. So I'm going to take a couple more bites, and then I'm going to shower, and then I'm going to come back out and devour this plate. So, so good. It's so good.
The other day, just a tangent for a second. My favorite books that I've ever read.
Yeah, I just moved to Ohio. I'm living my dream job.
Awesome.
What do you do?
I'm an engineer. Been here since college.
Nice.
So, long story short, I did end up eating all of that katsu chicken last night. I'm shocked. I really believed, like, honestly, it just looked so daunting. Like, it was so intimidating to look at the plate. And I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to eat this today and tomorrow. No girly pop. I ate that all last night, passed out, slept one of the deepest sleeps I've ever slept in my life. I mean, I woke up feeling pretty refreshed, pretty renewed. Girl, I was on the couch pretty much where y'all saw me last. That's why I crashed. I ate my food, threw away the plate, did whatever. And, really just preparing to end my night. Went back to the couch to continue watching what I was watching and knocked out. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I don't have too much going on. I'm just going to have a regular work day for the most part. I have 2 videos that I need to edit, which I'm really excited about because I took a little bit of a break in April. I didn't do too much in April. But now I'm back up. Summer is here. I have so much stuff to do, and I'm really excited. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking around this long and for just being with me as I don't know, try to make the most of my weekday. And I will see you around. Bye.